PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 26th day of September. We have enjoyed beautiful fall weather this week. We should enjoy beautiful fall weather over the weekend. Let's go right to some Skycam images around the network early this morning at the insane hour of 5 o'clock. You're looking at downtown Birmingham. That's the view looking north from the top of the Daniel building. Clear and cool out there this morning. In fact, there's our Gaston Skycam. Gaston sitting in the 40s right now. They hit 48 degrees at 2 o'clock. They're hovering in the upper 40s right now. Also upper 40s down for Anniston as well. And from the Inverness Skycam, that's a look at U.S. Highway 280 down over northern Shelby County. And again, it's always nice to see such light traffic out there at this hour of the day. Well, the water vapor satellite shot this morning, we've got a whopper of a storm, that big coastal storm that's sitting over the Carolinas. And that's been producing gale force winds and just all kind of wild weather over there. The big onshore flow continues over the northeast, but the clouds just a little east of here and just stay east of Alabama. That will not impact us. We'll stay in good shape this weekend. There's a look at temperatures, and again, notice that you see those 48s over East Alabama. We're basically at some of the coldest air in the whole nation right there. Awfully nice, and again, that's going to be the story for the weekend. Cool mornings, warm afternoons. There's a QPF chart. This is suggesting nothing around Alabama for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday evening of next week. Heaviest rain over New England with the coastal storm, and they'll get a side swipe from a tropical storm as well. Kyle, maybe even a minimal hurricane as that passes by Cape Cod this weekend. In fact, there's a look at what's happening. You've got your coastal storm over the Carolinas. That is a hybrid. That's not a tropical storm. And then Kyle, the new system down there in the lower part of the screen. Here's the official track on Kyle from the Hurricane Center. It's got it passing, about 200 miles east of Cape Cod on Sunday, and then just past the eastern tip of Maine Sunday night, then up into the Canadian Maritimes. And, of course, all that stays well to the east of here. Here's the GFS, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. There's the big upper-level system just east of here. Down below that, the rain with that feature stays over the Carolinas. Got a big onshore flow for New York City and Atlantic City and Boston between the low over the Carolinas and a strong high to the north. That's going to be very windy and wet for New England. But again, beautiful here. Tomorrow, all of that moves north. Kyle moving north. We stay dry. Sunday, Kyle, the GFS really moves Kyle up into the coast of Maine. So again, our friends in New England will have to be on the watch for that. But a fantastic day Sunday. Monday of next week, we stay dry. Tuesday of next week, here comes our trough developing. And look, check out the big ridge pumping up over western Canada. The downstream trough developing over the eastern U.S. And Wednesday, that thing really takes over. And that should deliver the coolest air so far this season. We don't expect any rain with the front. Have a good northerly flow. Highs dropping into the 70s. And there's a look at Thursday. By Thursday morning, we think we'll be in the 40s area-wide. I know we've got some 40s this morning, but should be cooler by Thursday morning of next week. And there's a look at Friday. Weather stays dry. We'll kind of carry this on through the next weekend because it is race weekend at Talladega. Many folks always interested in that. There's a look at Saturday, October the 4th. We stay dry. Now, Sunday the 5th, moisture begins to return as a southerly flow kicks in. But this is suggesting the deeper moisture will stay down over the southern part of the state below Montgomery. Now, understand, this is voodoo country here. This is beyond 7 days. It's really not a forecast. We're looking at model output. But at this point, the weather looks dry. And then on Monday the 6th, that's our next chance of rain based on the GFS. And we could use some rain. It's awfully dry here. And at the end of the forecast period, October the 11th, it's a classic battle between the polar jet stream to the north and a strong tropical high to the south over the Gulf. And look at the cold air over the Great Lakes. That looks snowy, doesn't it, for Milwaukee and Chicago? And again, we are definitely getting deeper into fall with a look like that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Friday, and God bless.